Hello, and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI FET. I only made a video a few days ago about FETCH.AI's upcoming rally, and we start to see a little bit of upside momentum today in the sector. Some coins more, some coins less. FETCH is obviously one of the coins that we're observing for a potentially bullish outcome in the next, let's say in the next move up, At the moment, we see a lot of sideways consolidation across the sector. And as you can see, indicated by the red and the green lines, we need FETCH break above the green line, which is basically a range. It indicates here our range. Here, the $2.52 level is the breakout line to the upside. And until that happens, the low could be in. There was enough time to ideally get a position. Everybody who wants to get a position in FETCH ideally has one now, because it's been weeks in this support range. And however, so far visually we see that the price is just simply forming lower highs and higher lows. So it's basically just a triangle that's forming here. Now, as I said to you, these triangles often go the other way, especially this cycle. I would absolutely not be surprised to see an upside breakout. Well, in this case, it would simply follow the yellow count, right? So you could say it's nearly 50-50 right now. But it's not, because we are watching for a bullish outcome. So the orange support region tells us that the bull market is still running. We're still watching for higher prices. The circle wave 5 should take us to $5 to $6. That's sort of the idea. And the $1.27 level is the level when I would change my opinion. We've said it many times. Everything here is literally just noise. It looks like noise. There are two wave counts in one another low. We have to at least consider it, and we have to at least prepare for it. What that means for you and your portfolio, only you can decide. But definitely from a structural point of view, one more low can happen. It actually would, I don't want to say it would look best, but it certainly would look okay. It would, however, get quite a protracted and extended fourth wave. It actually would be good for the chart if the fourth wave was already over here on the 13th of April. If that's the case, it's not very clear. It's been really, really difficult in the last few weeks, but a lot of people already talked about the, let's say, next bear market is unfolding. No, we don't want to do that. There is objectively nothing that would tell us the next bear market is unfolding. In fact, I'm still watching for higher prices either after one more low or with a direct upside breakout. A direct upside breakout can only happen from here as part of a diagonal pattern, in which case a C wave off the third wave to the upside would most likely be unfolding already. If that's the case, it needs to be confirmed with a break above that signal line, as I said, $2.52, followed by a break above the $2.63 level as per previous updates. No secrets here. Support areas on the chart. Anybody who used it would now be in profit. I would not try to short the market, not in a bull market. It's not productive. Some coins have already broken out. FET hasn't done that yet, even though it's already, it has avoided a breakdown. Okay, that's already quite an important signal. And we have a complete Elliott wave triangle count. That B wave could top here. It's the ideal spot to start a C wave down. However, now experience comes into play, and what I said to you before, that observing the market in this cycle, I can tell you that they rarely work. So maybe it's really going the other way. Break to the upside. I gave you all the levels. To keep that yellow count alive, which would send the price to 359, we need to see the price hold above the last swing low, needs to hold above the 15th of May low at around $1.97. So that gives you the clear invalidation point of the wider yellow pattern here. That's the $1.87 level, but really short term, that the B wave of wave 3 already bottomed. That's the $1.97 level, and the upside breakout point was discussed as well as the upside targets. Just make sure that you understand that there is some resistance likely going to come up around the 330 level, 315, which is this third wave high from early March, and then the X wave high here around 330, 340. They are all relevant. They are all relevant levels that could act as resistance. But for a third wave in yellow, what I normally want to see is the 1.38 extension to be reached here at 359 or higher. Extensions always possible in a third. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.